discuss now about economics, policy, and living sustainably. First, let's discuss about what economic sustainability is. Economic sustainability refers to the practices that support long-term economic growth without negatively impacting social, environmental, and cultural aspects of the community. Economic sustainability can refer either to the continued success of an economy over time, or more recently to the way an economy operates in a sustainable manner, protecting social and environmental elements. Economic development benefits consist of improvements in the economic growth, competitiveness, and vitality of a community. Sustainability strategies can improve a business bottom line, enhance the built environment, and attract new economic activity into more walkable and revitalized areas. These efforts are key to encouraging local residents and outsiders to invest and spend within a jurisdiction, thereby spurring further economic development. These economic benefits can take many forms. Sustainability best practices generate savings to residents and businesses through reduced expenditures on water, energy, gas, and other resources. These local savings are then available to support additional local investments and economic activity. Communities that are well planned with a variety of housing options, commercial developments, and efficient and convenient transportation choices attracts investments in new and expanded businesses. These investments can increase local economic activity and employment, saving time and money for employees and employers alike. Well-designed communities and efficient transportation are especially important for retaining and supporting the competitiveness of small to medium-sized businesses, which are the source of most employment growth. Communities that create opportunities for residents through sustainability practices to engage in physical activity and make healthy food choices generally have healthier residents. The economic benefits include lower healthcare costs for business, employees, and public agencies, more productive employees, and students better prepared to learn. One of the longest ongoing debates in the world of economic trade, politics, and human growth involves the evolution of sustainable development. What is this sustainable development? Can it create jobs? Reduce the poverty line? Or will a company go bankrupt once sustainable policies are enforced? The economic and its monetary flow are consistently used as the lead priority to influence the current cultural and economic decisions made by some big American corporate brands and politics. One of the main questions that arise in sustainability issues is the basis of profit versus environment. On a government, corporate, and individual level, sustainability ideally has the interest of all. It especially affects those around the world and those in need. Sustainability can be seen making a breakthrough and combining profit with sustainability values using the five elements of water, energy, waste, ecology, and food. The elements include microfarming, solar energy expansion, air-to-water innovations, the universal works of recycling, and sustainable fish farming. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a broad terminology that is inclusive to all forms of growth and maintaining needs for present generations without compromising future generations to come, as defined by United Nations. It's also one of the focal points in the subject of environmental conservation and regulation. It can also be defined as the study and maintenance of ecological balance in terms of resources and how natural systems function. The environmental issues were separated into two categories: protection of environmental media and regulations of particular activities and products. Examples of environmental media would include halting deforestation, protecting land resources, and protecting freshwater resources. Examples of activities and products in need of regulation include toxic chemicals, hazardous waste, biotechnology, and agricultural practices. In 2005, the World Summit on Social Development identified the three core areas of sustainable development, called the three pillars of sustainability. The pillars are economic development, environmental development, and social development, also informally known as profit, planet, and people. These three cores vary in basis, but are similar in collective goal and place each other into consideration. In the past, sustainability had been directed in purely environmental concerns that needed to be acknowledged and accounted for. Now, with the involvement of social, economic, and environmental interests, it is easier to view sustainability in the grander scheme of stabilizing our planet as a whole. The three pillars. Environmental pillar. It was previously known as the primary reason for sustainability. It continues to play a major role and has been further integrated into the corporate environment. Economic pillar. The economic pillar has the most innovative potential to combine sustainable practices, technology, and money-making tools. Social pillar. The social pillar is focused on health, wellness, and education of the people with the quality of life as one of the major priorities. Everyday sustainability initiatives and how the three pillars are interrelated. Plant more fruits and vegetable gardens around the house, reduce agricultural pollution and water waste, and reduce water treatment costs. Less gas is spent for store trips and transportation from different countries and fields. Less money is also spent at the store. Money is spent on vegetation maintenance. It also improves physical and mental health and saves healthcare costs. Planting trees, especially around the home, decreases the temperature of the house. This leads to decreased air conditioner use. It also increases the value of the home and reduces carbon dioxide. Kids will play in a more diverse landscape. It also provides homes for small rodents, birds, and insects. Money will be spent on maintaining size and branches of trees. Use renewable power sources to reduce carbon footprint and decreases utility bills. Conserving and cleaning our natural environment reduces water treatment costs, improves outdoor recreation and air quality. It provides habitats for other living organisms. With all the money saved by being sustainable, individuals are able to spend in other areas. For example, they could go on trips, renovate their home, or make stock investments in other more innovative areas.